Right, so...
You've got me on back here.
That's
Yeah, my name's Reg Underwood.
Put the door as you put your foot aside.
I'm
and pull the door
84-year-old pensioner. We can't go shopping, nowhere. Even if you transport, you can't get out. You'd have to get this bus to Maryport and go over, cross over at Maryport, get a train into Workington, do a shopping, then get back on the train again, go to Carlisle and get the north side bus back here again. And then it'd be...
Is that it?
Hey, coming on.
Yeah,
no, coffee will do.
just coffee.
Say that, yeah.
It's going to cost you £6 a day now to get from north side to Working. Right? Now people who's working, right, who work over on Workington, it's going to cost them £6 a day.
Yeah.
That's £35 a week for 5 shifts.
We're having to get up a lot earlier in the morning for a start. Alicia's having to pick me up in the morning and then take me to the train station. We're having to get the train station, the train at 8:30, and then having to come to Flimby where we're getting our mate's car and she takes us through to Carlisle. Alicia would have just drove right through, which would have took all of about 5-10 minutes.
Yeah.
And then we would have just gone straight on to Carlisle. About £9 extra a week. It's costing us just to come here.
On top of petrol money